Hello, welcome back into Englinity. My name is Alex, and I'm happy you are here today. This is day 2 of our 30-day English challenge. Yesterday, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English. We said our name, and we spoke slowly with confidence. Today, we will learn how to say hello and how to make small talk. Small talk means short, friendly conversation. Don't worry, we will speak very slowly, step by step, together. Take a deep breath. Relax. Let's begin. Hello. Let me tell you a small story. Imagine you walk into a class,
Or maybe an office.
or even a new place. You see someone standing near you. Inside your mind, you think, should I say hello? I feel a little shy, but I want to be friendly. It's okay to feel this way. I feel this way too, sometimes. Now, you smile, and you say slowly, hello. Let's practice together. Say it slowly. Hello. Good. You can also say, hi. Hi is short and friendly. Let's say it together. Hi. Very good. Now, you look at the person and you want to be polite. You can say, hello, how are you? Let's go slowly. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you? Good job. Inside your mind, you feel happy. You think, I did it. I spoke English. That feeling is confidence. Mini practice, slow. I say it first, then you repeat. Hello, pause. Hi, pause. Hello, how are you? Pause. Very nice. This is the first step of small talk. Just saying hello can open a conversation. Say hello every day. At home, at school, in your mind. Practice is everywhere. Now, you already said hello. The other person looks at you. They smile. Inside your mind, you think, okay, and what can I say next? Something simple, something easy. A very common question is, how are you? Let's say it slowly together. How are you? Good. Again, how are you? This question is friendly. It is used every day by many people. Now, let's answer. You can say, I'm fine. Say it slowly. I'm fine. Good. You can also say, I'm good. Slowly. I'm good. Or, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
All of these answers are correct. Inside your mind, you think, this is easy. I can say this. Now, let's practice a short conversation. I will say both parts, then you repeat. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Pause. Again, slowly. Hello. How are you? I'm good. Pause. Very good. This is small talk. Short. Simple. Friendly. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are perfect. Mini practice. Repeat slowly. How are you? Pause. I'm fine. Pause. I'm good. Pause. I'm okay. Pause. You are doing well. Speaking slowly is the best way to learn. Now, you already said hello. You already asked, how are you? The conversation feels comfortable. Inside your mind, you think, I can say one more thing. I want to continue just a little. A good question is, how is your day? Let's say it very slowly together. How is your day? Good. Again, how is your day? This question is kind. It shows interest. It is very common. Now, let's answer. You can say, it is good. Slowly. It is good. You can also say, it is nice. It is nice. Or, it is busy. It is bussy. All answers are okay. Inside your mind, you feel proud. You think, I am talking. I am using English. That feeling is progress. Mini conversation practice. Listen first, then repeat. How is your day? It is good. Pause. How is your day? It is busy. Pause. Very good. You don't need many words. Simple English is strong English. Slow repetition practice. How is your day? Pause. It is good. Pause. It is busy. Pause. Take your time. Slow practice brings confidence. Now, let's learn some extra phrases. These phrases are small, but very useful in daily conversation. We will go slowly. Phrase 1. Nice weather today. Let's say it slowly. Nice weather today. Again, Nice weather today. This phrase is friendly. People like it. Phrase 2. I'm a little tired. Slowly.
I am, little.
Tired. Again, I am a little tired. Alex thinks, I feel tired sometimes too. Phrase 3. I am happy today. Slowly.
I am,
Happy today. Again, I am happy today. This sentence feels good. Phrase 4. It's a busy day. Slowly. It's a busy day. Again, it's a busy day. Phrase 5. Have a good day. Slowly. Have a good day. This is a polite ending sentence. Repeat all together slow. Nice weather today. Pause. I am a little tired. Pause. I am happy today. Pause. It's a busy day. Pause. Have a good day. Pause. These phrases help you sound natural and friendly. Now, it is your turn. Take a moment, relax, and speak slowly. I will ask you simple questions. You can answer out loud or in the comments. Question 1. What do you say first when you meet someone? You can say, hello, or hi. Say it now. Pause. Good. Question 2. How are you today? You can say, I'm fine. I'm good. Or, I'm okay. Say it slowly. Pause. Very nice. Question 3. How is your day? You can say, it is good. It is busy. Or, it is nice. Say it now. Pause. Excellent. Self-talk practice. Now to speak with yourself. Alex thinks, hello. How are you? I'm fine. How is your day? It is good. Try it slowly. Pause. Talking to yourself is a very good way to practice. I do it too. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Speak slowly. Speak every day. You are doing great. Now, let's take a moment and remember what we learned today. Today, we practiced saying hello and making small talk. Let's repeat the key phrases slowly together. Recap. Slow repetition. Hello. Pause. Hi. Pause. How are you? Pause. I'm fine. Pause. I'm good. Pause. How is your day? Pause. It is good. Pause. Have a good day. Pause. Very good. Inside your mind, you can say, I spoke English today. I am improving. That feeling is important. Daily practice message. Remember, you don't need long sentences. One sentence a day is enough. Speak slowly. Repeat often. Be kind to yourself. This is how confidence grows. 30-Day English Challenge reminder. This is day 2 of our 30-Day English Challenge. Every day, we learn something small, something useful, something easy. If you practice every day, your English will improve. If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Englinity so you don't miss the next lesson. Your support helps me make more slow English video for you. Tomorrow preview. Tomorrow, on day 3, we will learn how to ask simple questions and how to answer confidently. Thank you for learning English with me. This is Alex from Englinity. Speak slowly, practice daily, and enjoy your journey. See you tomorrow. Bye.